Class 9 Biology Chapter 1 Part 4. Good morning students. Wish you all a safe and healthy stay at home. Dear student, we are social animal and it is difficult to stay home at the rate of 24 into 7 hours. It may lead to some problems. It may be mental illness, distraction of mind, breaking down of concentration as well as digestion problem etc. To avoid all this, you have to follow certain rules that are intake of plentiful of water, should have a regular yoga in the morning, walking inside the campus, gossiping with the parents, avoid oily food and follow nutritional diet as well as should have a direct sunlight in your body for few minutes. This will keep you healthy. Now come to the chapter. In the previous class, I have explained some of the cytoplasmic organelles. Now today we'll discuss rest of the organelles in detail. But again I am telling you that while viewing or listening this video, you must refer your table 2.1 of your book. It will help to understand in better way. Now see, the first of the organelle is centrosome. Centrosome always found only in the animal cell. A structure that surround two centrioles and are surrounded by radiating rays known as esters. This centrosome always found near the nucleus because whenever a cell divide, nucleus divide first, that is followed by the division of cytoplasm. So the function of centrosome is initiate and regulate cell division by forming spindle fiber with the help of esters. This centrosome is absent in plants. So one question arises, how do the plant cell divide? So in case of plant cell, a special structure, microtubules form that microtubules initiate and regulate cell division in plant. Now come to the next organelle, plastid. Plastids are the organelle that found only in plant cell. A structure that is surrounded by two membrane, that is double membrane, and the matrix is made by protein, hence it is proteinaceous matrix. It contains DNA and the shapes are generally disc like. Plastids are of several kinds. The first one is chloroplast, chromoplast and leucoplast. So there are three types of plastids: chloroplast, chromoplast and leucoplast. Chloroplast containing chlorophyll, chromoplast containing xanthophylls, carotenoids and leucoplast do not contain any pigment. Now see the function of each. Chloroplast, it impart green color to the plant, hence plant appears green. This chloroplast traps sunlight. Chloroplast, it provide colors to the fruits and flower. That's why whatever the flowers and fruits are of different colors. Leucoplasts do not contain any pigment, so it store starch in them. Now next, the most important organelle is the nucleus. Generally spherical in outline and present at the center of cell. It is bonded by two membrane, outer and inner membrane, with certain pores known as nuclear pore. The area inside the nucleus is known as nucleoplasm, which contain dark spherical body nucleus and the genetic material chromatin fiber. Function, it regulates cell function, contains chromosome, the genetic material, the carrier of hereditary information from one generation to the next. If one should remove nucleus from a cell, the cell will die. Nucleus. Nucleus, a dark spherical, maybe one or more round structure present inside the nucleus. It produces ribosomes, help in protein synthesis by forming and storing RNA. It dictates ribosome to synthesize protein. Now, chromatin fiber, a network of thread-like structure contains into chromosomes that containing DNA. Chromosomes are the carrier of information from one generation to the other. So carries of hereditary information from parents to the offspring. Now, the cell contain living structure because cell itself a living structure. Along with the living structure, some are the non-living structure that are present inside a cell that are vacuoles and granules. So vacuoles are the clear spaces filled in watery solution. It is covered by tonoplast. These tonoplasts are the membrane that encloses vacuoles. In plant cell, vacuoles are large, and in animal cell, vacuoles are smaller. So to see the function of vacuoles, store water or other substances. It provides turgidity, means when the vacuoles of a cell contains water, the cells become turgid. That's why the plants do not have the nervous system, but still they respond to certain stimulus just due to the vacuoles containing water. It also contains certain minerals that helps in various processes. For example, intake of water from the soil by the roots. It is the vacuole which contain minerals, which contain a sort of solution that helps in the absorption of water. It contains pigments like anthocyanin. Now, granules, small droplets, crystals, or particles. They store food. The food may be in the form of glycogen in animal cell or starch in plant cell. So, we have discussed all the cell organelles. Student, you have to read the structures of each and every organelle as well as their function, because in examination it is one of the important chapter. Means questions generally asked in section 1. For example, the boundary of the vacuole is called tonoplast. These types of question may be asked in the examination. Clear all of you? Okay.